Ma'am, the most important concepts that I learned from these subjects are about the moral responsibility, the fairness, the integrity, and the respect. I realized that ethics isn't about just knowing what is right and wrong, but it is also how we apply in our daily decisions. One theory that helped me understand this better is about the utilitarianism, which focuses on choosing actions that brings the greatest good for the most people. Another is deontology, which teaches us to follow moral rules and do our duty even if it's difficult. These learnings changed my perspective because I became more mindful in my actions. Before, I sometimes made decisions based on convenience or what benefits me the most, but now I'm trying to think about how my actions can affect others. It made me more responsible and more aware that even small actions can have an impact on people around me. In terms of application, I can use these lessons in my school by being honest in my work, avoiding cheating, and respecting my classmates and teachers. In relationship, also, ma'am, I can apply ethics by being more understanding, patient, and respectful of other people's feelings. In the future workplace, I believe this will help me become a more professional who values integrity and fairness. And for my personal growth, also ethics will guide me in making a better decisions and becoming a more disciplined and principled person. Overall, ma'am, I realized that this subject helped me realize that ethics is not just a lesson in the classroom, but sometimes we practice ethics this every day in our daily life. I guess, ma'am, that will be all. Thank you.